Hello grade 7 students, Sir John here. Welcome back. So I'm going to teach you today unit 17, that is area, perimeter and volume. So many formulas I have given you in the PPTs, you have to go through that, and many questions I have solved in the PPTs as well. So the question which I left, I'm going to do here. So I'm going to do question number 1 from 17.1. So you just look this, you have textbook with you, please look there. Question number 1. They told you work out the areas of each triangle. So you have to work out the areas of triangle, and you know the formulas. Area of a triangle is equals to half into base into height. So this is base and this is height. Okay, so what you have to do here is solution. You can just write like this: given base 4.1 centimeter from the textbook. You just look, base 4.1 centimeter, height is 2.6 centimeter. We know height also 2.6 centimeter. Done. And we are asked to find area of a triangle. Area, use the formula. Area is equals to, formula is half into base into height. Done. Now inscribe it. Half, right, half, okay, into base, you look from here, 4.1, into height 2.6. Now we have denominator 2. We check out whether we can cancel it or not. When you look 2.6 and 2, you can cancel easily, right? By 2 you can cancel this, because 2 1s are 2, point is there, put it, 2 3s are 6. That means 2 13, just say 2, okay, just for a moment think there is no point, just think it is 26. Okay, so 3 13s are 26, correct? Now you write what is left. 1 times 4.1 is 4.1, right? 4.1 times 1 is 4.1 into 1.3. Okay, now when you multiply this and this, you will get 5.33 centimeter. Is that okay? You can look here, 4.1, 1.3. 3 times 1 3, 3 times 4 12, 1 times 1 1, 1 times 4 4, 3 3 5. See, after decimal there are 1 digit only. Okay, and here again after decimal there are another 1 digit. That means 1 plus 1 2. So you have to keep like this, 1 2 1. You got me? After decimal 1 digit, just keep in mind, here also after decimal 1 digit. So 1 plus 1 2. So after 2 you have to give point, 1 2 point. Don't forget it. This is your answer. Okay, now you can try this and this then. It's simple. Okay, now question number 2. Okay, so let's go to the next question. Okay, here don't forget to write centimeter square, because it is area. How this happen? This is centimeter, right? So centimeter times centimeter is centimeter square. Okay, for example, centimeter times centimeter is centimeter square. And let's do now question number 2. You please go through the textbook. You just look here. The length of the base of a triangle is 8.2. Length is 8.2. Can you see here? The area of a triangle is 39.77. Area also given. Area. She works out the perpendicular height of a triangle is 7.9. She found that height is 7.9. Now, question A says, without using a calculator, explain how you can tell that she is wrong. How can you say that this height is wrong? 7.9. Just look, okay? To solution. Base 8.2. Area also given 39.77 centimeters square. Height 7.9 centimeter. This is according to Shen. According to her, height is this. Now question number A says, how can you say that she is wrong? Wrong, no? Just see. You know that formula is, area formula is half into base into height. When you multiply base and height, you will get product, right? And that product you have to divide by 2. Then what you will get? Area. That's why this is the formula of area. Area is equal to half into base into height. We have used here half into base into height. Okay, so you multiply base and height. Look, base you know, height you know. Round it. 7.9 means we can take 8. Round to the nearest whole number. 7.9 means 8. 8.2, we just take 8. Now this is base, this is height. Let's see. 8 times 8, 64. Divided by 2. This is just rough calculation, mind calculation you have to do. When you cut, you will get area. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 2, 4. Your area is 32. Now look, actual area is 39. It's not too close. That's why C is wrong. This is wrong. You got my idea? So you can write like this. C is wrong because A answer, okay? Because when we round base and height, we get 8 and 8 respectively. And if we multiply base and height, yes or no? We multiply base and height. Formula, okay, this is formula. Base and height multiply divided by 2. That is the formula area. If you do that, you have to get area. But when we do that, we got area 32 and actual area is 39 point something. So which is far, not too close. So base and height, and then divide the product. Product means this 64. When you multiply any two numbers and get the answer, that is called product. Okay, product by 2. Why we divide the product by 2? It's in the formula. Divide by 2. We have 32, right? We got 32, which is not close to 39.77. Yes or no? It is not close. 32 is not close to 39. It's very far. That's why C is wrong. That's why C is wrong. Okay? That is your A answer. Your B says, work out the perpendicular height of the triangle. Now you have to find the height of the triangle. Let's see. Okay, children, now we will do question number B. Your question number B says, work out the height, perpendicular height. Let's do B. We know that area is equal to base into, half into base into height, correct? Now, area is equal to B into H times 1 is B into H only. You agree with me? Because when you multiply anything with 1, you will get the same, right? 10 times 1, 10. 14 times 1, 14. So, B into H times 1 is B into H. Can I write B into H like this? Yes. Denominator will have 2. This is the one. Okay. Now, in this case, we can do cross multiply. For example, 9 by 2 is equal to 4 by 6. You can multiply this and this and this and this. It's called a cross multiplication. Okay, so I'm going to do that here. Since we are searching H, I'll keep H there. Here denominator we have 1. No number means 1. So every number has denominator as 1. So what we do is 2 times A is 2A. 2 into A, 2A. Now here B into 1. B is the outside. B will come. B times 1, B equal is there. Here what is left? 2 already gone, B already gone, H only left. Why I did like that? Because we are searching H. See, now we got H. Height we are going to get now. Okay, so 2 times A, 2 write down, into write down. A is what? It's given in the question. We have this is. A is 39.77. B is 8.2. Okay, so A plus, can I write 39.77? Yes. Denominator B, B we have 8.2. Okay, equals to height. Can I cancel this and this? Yes. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 1, 2. What I got? Only this left. 39.77 by 4.1. You will divide this. You will get the height. Okay? If you are really don't want to divide with the number having points, you can remove the points. Okay, some of you, many students are having doubted to do this, right? So remove the point. How will you remove? 39.77 by 4.1. After point, how many digits are there? 1, 2. Take the highest one. Here only 1 digit. But here after point we have 1, 2. 2 digit means put 2 0. That means 2 0 means 100. Both sides you have to do. I mean both numerator and denominator. You have to multiply by 100 up and down. Okay? then it will remove, point will remove, equals to height. Now when you multiply all this with 100, there will be no point. See? But here 4.1 20 one digit point, there will be 410. This will become 410. You multiply and check. You multiply this and this, you will get this. You multiply this and this, you will get this. Now can you see here there is no point? Now there is no confuse, right? Or if you can just divide this with points, if you don't have any doubt, you can just do this. But those who are having like confused, those who want to remove the decimal, these are the steps you have to take. It doesn't mean that always 100 will come. It depends on the digits after the decimal. Okay? You all know this, right? Now when you divide this, I have already divided. When you will get 9.7 centimeter. That is your height. Okay? That is your B answer. You got this height. Now let's see. What mistake do you think Sen made? Oh, what mistake she made? Do you notice? According to me, when I look there, she took height 7.9, right? That is the mistake. But here question number C says, what mistake do you think Sen made? Actually our height is 9.7, see? But can you see? She wrote 7.9. So what I think is, she switched the number. Actually she also got the correct answer 9.7. But while writing, she wrote 7.9. See? This is what I think. Might be that is the mistake. So your C answer will be C. She switched the digits 9.7 to 7.9. Actually 9.7, she switched the digit. 7 she put here, 9 she took there. This is what she did. That's it. Okay? Okay children, now we'll go to 17.2. Okay? This 17.2, everything I have done in the PPT. Please go through. Question number 5 I have not done. I'm going to do that. Look. 5 solution. Your 5 says, look in your textbook. A parallelogram formula also I have given you. Many explanation is there in the PPT. Please go through. Okay. A parallelogram has an area of 832. You look. Okay. So what is given here? Given given. Area is equal to 832 millimeter square. It's given in the question. What else? Again they have given height also. Height is equal to 2.6 centimeter. Now look at here, 2.6 centimeter height, but area is in millimeter. This is in centimeter. What do you want? Notice here, different unit. Both are having different unit, and you cannot work. They must have the same unit. Make sure they will have same unit. If not, you have to convert and make it into same unit. Okay. So this is already millimeter. So let us make millimeter. Centimeter now. So how? 2.6 times. You know how to make. If you multiply by 10, it will become millimeter. Remember, my car drops me Dad's hospital at Kohima. Millimeter, centimeter. You remember all this? Decimeter, meter. See? When it comes down, always divide. When it goes up, always multiply. Let's see. Centimeter, if you want to make millimeter, then centimeter is here. If you want to make millimeter, you have to go up, then you will reach in millimeter. Go up means multiply. That's why I am multiplying. Centimeter cover till millimeter only 10. 110 is there. That's why I put this 10. Then it will become centimeter. If it's going down, divide. If it's going up, you know this, right? I taught you also. So when you multiply these two, you will get 26. Do it, you will get. Now both are in same unit. Can you see that? Right? What they asked you to find? They told you to find base. Got it? Now formula is what? Area of parallelogram formula. I have given you. Area of parallelogram formula is base into height. That's it. Since you are searching base you keep here. You know what is their downside? 1. Area you write here. Height into 1. Height equals base. Right? We have done this type just now. Now upside area you look from here. Area I have 832. Downside height we have 26. Done. Now when you cancel this, you will get, you do it, okay, you will get 32 millimeter. This is your height. You got it? Same. This method only you apply like any type of question, okay? The main important thing is formula. We have different formula. Area of parallelogram, different formula. Area of trapezium, different formula. You got my idea? Everything I have solved in the PPT. Please go through that. You try question number 6 and show me. You try and show me, okay? Excuse me. You try question number 6 and show me. Now 17.3. Look at 17.3. Many I solved in the PPT, okay? Here I will just solve you question number 2. Look at question number 2. Work out the area of each circle. Use pi equal to 3.14. Do not round your answer. So radius is 3 centimeter. They have given. Okay? So how will you do this? Question number 2, okay? Exercise 17.3. Question number 2. What is given in question number 2 is radius R equals to 3 centimeter. Got me? And they told to use pi equals to 3.14. Plus, now they told you to find what? Area. So area of a circle is formula I gave you in the PPT, okay? Pi R square. Pi R square. R square means what? 2 times R into R. Just now I told you, no? R into R, R square. Centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. See, R into R, R square. R square you can write in these words. Okay? Let's do it. Pi. See, pi is 3.14. It's given in the question. No sign means into. R we have 3. R square. You can do like this also, or you can write 2 times R into R. R square means R into R. Okay? 3.14 times 3 times 3, 9. Multiply these two, what you will get? 9 4s are 36, 3 in hand, and 1 are 9, 12, and 3 are 27, 28, 1 2 point, 1 2 point. Since it is area, centimeter square. That's it. The rest you can try. Okay. Sometimes if they don't give radius, they will give, in place of radius they might give diameter. Okay, what is radius and diameter? You know, right? In a circle there is a center. Every circle has a center. Radius means from any corner till center. This is radius, half. Diameter means they have to touch the center and go across and touch the another end. This is called diameter. You can make many radius. Now this is only radius. Diameter is this full. Now this line is diameter. This line is diameter. This is radius. Okay. Half means only radius. Half is radius. That means radius formula, diameter formula is different. If radius is 3, diameter will become 6, because 3 plus 3 6. You got idea? Now radius formula is diameter divided by 2. Diameter formula is 2 into radius. Keep this in mind. I gave it in the PPT also. So when they have given diameter, here given diameter D is 3, you want to make radius, because in formula there is no diameter. So to make radius, use this formula. Diameter right upside, you just divide by 2, you will get radius. Okay, suppose diameter is 8. I don't need diameter because in my formula there is no diameter. I need radius because in the formula there is radius. So what I do? Radius formula. Radius is diameter divided by 2. Diameter divided by 2. I'll get radius. Radius equals to, diameter is 8 divided by 2. 2 times 4, 8. See? I got radius. Like that. Okay? You try the rest. It's so simple. You can try all. It's very simple. And formula I have given in the PPT. You check the formula. Formula of like semicircle, quarter circle, everything is there. You just go through it. Okay, here 17.4 I'll do for you. There is, you try question number 1, okay? Formula is there. You check the formula and do. Now here what I would like to do is okay, I need to draw a diagram. Just look here. Is there okay in page number? This is in page 172. I'm doing question number 2. Question number 2. 1. A. Okay. Something like that. This is B. This is A. They ask you to find this. How long is this? Okay. They have given this from here to here 4 centimeter. They have given all from here to here. All this is 11 centimeter. And from here to here 7 centimeter. from here to here 8 centimeter. Now from here to here is how much? This is what you need to find. You got idea? Now I have to think properly. How? You know that. Look properly, okay? From here to here is 11. Got my idea? All this is 11. And you know that from here to here is 8. See? If from here to here is 8, can you see line coming down? Now you understood. Till here is 8. From here to here is 8. Actually from here to here is 11. If this is 8, this will become how much? 3 or not? Because from here to here is 8, that means from here to here is also 8. 8 plus 3, 11. See, all this is 11, you know. If this is 3, this also 3, right? You got it. See, 3 centimeter. If this is 4 from here to here, so from here to here is 4. Okay? So you tried it. Now the question number 3 for you. Same page, question number 3. It's nothing. I'll draw the diagram. Seven centimeter, 5 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Okay? So they told you to find the area of the compound shape. All the shape you have to find the area. But you never notice like this type of diagram, no? We cannot call it rectangle, we cannot call it square, we cannot call it circle. Is that okay? So what you need to do is join this. See, one shape came. Here also one shape came. You got 2 shapes now. You got it? Now let's see what are they. Is 4, is 5. I told you, no? If this is 4, this will be 4. If this is 5, this will be 5. Good idea. If this is 2, this will be 2. See, very easily you can do that. Now, all is 7, you see here, but this half part is only 4. Then remaining will be 3. 4 plus 3, 7, because all are 7. This whole line is 7. So 4 plus 3. Now you understood, this is 3. If this is 3 from till here, this is also 3. Now you got the side, you solve it. Here, first you take, find the area of this and find the area of this and add up. Then you will get the area of all. Okay? So here when you look this small side, you will get length is 3. Width is 2 centimeter. It's a rectangle. Length width means rectangle. Area of rectangle is length times width. Length is 3 times width is 2. 3 to the 6 centimeter. Don't forget to put square. Got an idea? Now let's take this. Here length is 5. Length is 5 centimeter. Width is 4. Width 4 centimeter. It's a rectangle, so area of rectangle is length times width. Length is 5 times 4. No? Length breadth. See? 5 times 4, 20 centimeter. Oh, this is 20, this is 6. You got here. Now you have to add up. If you add up these two, you will get all the areas. Therefore, area of the compound shapes is, one is 6, one is 20. You will get 26 centimeter square. But all the area of this shape is 26 centimeter square. All you need to do is just concentrate here, make it. You can create and you start working out. If this is 4, this is 4. If this is 5, like this now. Very easy, similar. This idea and this idea is same. And with these two ideas, you can solve the other ones. The rest all are similar. I'll keep that for you to try. And I will continue this chapter in my next video. Okay? Till then, take care. Stay safe. Thank you so much.